Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will be getting into drawing, more specifically with sketching. So it is my goal to teach you how to get into sketching over the next few days, and this will be done over a series of tutorials. Okay, so to get started, we are just going to get used to a few shading techniques. So with your pencil, we are going to hold it, not right at the tip, but we're going to hold it further up the pencil. And this just gives us better control in the wrists that allows us to go for slightly lighter strokes. So on my small piece of paper here, we are just going to start in the corner, and as light as you can, we are going to shade the entire piece. So we're just going to start in the corner, and as light as you can, we are just going to shade over the entire page. Okay, so this is it for our lightest shade. On our next sheet, we are going to do the same thing, but we are now going to try and make it a medium shade. So it needs to be slightly darker than this one here, but not the darkest yet. So just leave this here, and so you can see the difference between our tones. Okay, so you're going to continue right until the end of this sheet. Okay, so this is our second piece done. We're now going to do the third piece, and the third one needs to be the darkest of all three. So to do this, you are going to press down slightly harder with the pencil until we get a nice dark shade. And if you notice that the tip of my pencil isn't sharpened a lot, it is slightly blunt, and this gives us better shading. Okay, so as you can see, we have our light, our medium, and our dark shading techniques, and this actually helps us to sketch shadows, especially to make an object look three-dimensional. So this will all come into play later on in this tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.